So this tip right here, so I have this. I don't know where I got this, I forgot, but I bought it for 150, I think. It is, well, it's green and it's designed for camper, I believe so. So this is how I set this up. You see all this top layer has been taken off the switch. So this is my boost, that's my overdrive, and my distortion, my delay, and my reverb. So I don't have any extra pedal to occupy this one right here because my small reverb is already on. I usually leave it on, and sometimes on the different channels I use it for something else. If I really have to, then I'll have to set it up, but right now it's out of my board because I used it for my my FM3 because my FM3 is just that. So there's only 3 buttons on it, so I used it for my FM3 and used the same thing. So this is how I set this up. So on your pedal, on your kemper, press pedal, and then from pedal you might want to plug it into switch number 1. So this is number 1. So you can see 1 and the bottom slot is number 3. Number 2 is on the right, and then number 4 is on the bottom. So my pedal, this thing, I used a well, both of them are TRS that I used, but this is acts as a volume, and when I engage the wah, see, you see that thing lit on? That's my wah, and now it's volume. So okay, so now back to this thing. So I'm on pedal number 1, as you can see, and I set him up. It depends on how you want to use it, but mine, you can use it as a morph, but mine I used it mono switch, no, actually dual switch, and this is the switch ring is, let's say this is, it says A, which is A, but I don't need that. I already have that pedal right there, or expression. So B, which is the compressor, C is my overdrive, and D is my distortion. And I'm going to set this up on the X. So you should navigate it to X. Oops, there you go. So X on and off. So that's my my ring. This is the ring, and then I set this up. The tip is for freeze, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to press this and set up for delay. Actually, you know what, I can exit. Now I can exit and press X, and now I can set up the delay. Let's see if I can find a delay. So now I have that. Click that, and now you can tell whenever I press this thing goes off. Okay, let's say exit. I go exit, so now it's indicate as off. And then when I press B, the thing lit off, off, on, off, on. And then if I press A, that will freeze my signal. So I don't know how we can do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it with my guitar. Hold on, let me grab my guitar. I'm gonna put this. I don't know. I don't have a that thing for the phone. That's why. But for the sake of this video, I am just going to play it with like this. So this is my clean channel with the delay on and the reverb on. Actually, my delay on this one is also on. So I just turn it off. So that's my clean channel. And then if I turn this on, so the delay is longer. I never set it up. I did not set up the delay, but because it's just the demonstration is just for the switch. And then so if I press this freeze, my signal is gonna hold forever. Oh no, actually when I play, so that's gonna keep on going. I'm not playing my guitar, so that's my freeze. So if I shut it off, there you go. And what else? Yeah, you pretty much can use it for a morph, or let's say pretty much everything. Just to make sure that you are on your pedal one and you plugged it in on your pedal one, or it depends on whatever slot that you put it in. Make sure that you are in correct slot, otherwise it's not gonna work. So that's pretty much about it. Actually, you can set up this for infinite delay, for morph, like what I said, looper mode, but I already have a looper over there, so I don't need that. That's pretty much about it. And yeah, I use this setup for church and for big event. And yeah, thanks for watching.